Hey everybody, please excuse how I look. This is Texas Danny and I'm coming to you from Friday, September the 10th, 2021. September the 10th, 2021. Day shy of 9/11. That fateful day in New York and Washington, D.C. in America and world history. With as it happened, or did it happen, or how it happened, or why it happened, or where it happened. It's all up in the air now because we are really changing. I'm on here real quick for a public service announcement for the quantum affected. All quantum affected, all Mandela affected. I got a public service announcement, please, if I may, for the Mandela affected, quantum affected community, Earth, worldwide. We are in rapid Earth changes. Very quick, rapid Earth changes. We've had some noticeable distances close. Some notable distances closed. Just in this last week, I heard a British reporter make a statement about, if you took a walk from London to Manchester, okay, and it measured it out, blew my mind with what it was just a few years ago after I quantum jumped in June 2016. So that distance is closed. The distance between Dallas and Houston is closed. So the distance between Manchester and London's closed. Everywhere on Earth is going to be closer to everywhere else on Earth. We're showing a demonstration of closing. If you take a look up into the sky, which some people have been doing that, thank you to Sunny 3 out there in Florida. She's in Quantum Happy Land, and they changed quite a bit there. She's taking a look at the skies, and she happened to be, two things helped. When she was pointing, I saw her hands. When she's pointing to the sky, anatomy changes, everybody. Take a look yourself over. Anatomy changes. Take a look. Perceive what you perceive, but take a look. Also, take a look up there at the sky, because I believe that the weird, odd, strange, almost living, surreal kind of aspect these clouds have to coming together and touching each other. Also match sometimes the activity on the ground. Of course, I think a lot of things are interactive. Water, H2O, that's right, water. Electromagnetic activity, and plate of the Earth, whatever this thing is. Again, if it's a 2D Earth holographic thing and they can do anything they want, forget it. It's like whatever, it's a cartoon. Okay? But at the same time, if we got what we got going on as a physical measurement or manifestation, we may have time waves coming back on us, as we're having some people who've been deceased are now showing back up alive again, at least in demonstrations. A lot of this could be with a lot of changes that are going on as the Earth is in dynamic fluctuations between the multiverse or the timelines, or the Earth is moving from one spot to the other, or whatever that it is that we're doing. Also, the history alterations are the things that are manifested. They're made available to our minds, okay, maybe manifesting, and this is causing quite a bit of spillover. We're getting quite a bit of excess creation, right? It goes from the deep labyrinth of the mind, the deep id, the deepest part of the id, to the super ego, whatever that is, the super ego, the subconscious, and the conscious mind. But again, our changes are in demonstrations all over the Earth. The residents always see the present, everybody. They do not see the alterations or the changes. They're the residents. This is home, okay? We're the ones who see the ticket moving. And I'm not getting out from anywhere right now. This place always can script my circumstances, let me tell you. Yeah, it just takes weird situations and says, okay, I can do anything. I'll keep you right there. You're not going anywhere, because I don't want you going nowhere. Yeah, I'll cause you car problems. I'll cause you job problems. It comes up with whatever it does, and I'm sure all of you are getting the same number. Yes, sirree. You try to go somewhere, That's part of the problem. You're part of the problem. You create as you go, and it's got to accommodate and adapt. And there's a transfer problem right now. Information transfer is crucial. Again, we're in closing of our radius. We're in massive, massive activities. I'm sitting here looking at my Google Earth on my other cell phone, and I'm telling you, I just watched one of these science fiction movies I watched a lot for reference, and like when the Earth was bigger, like back on my old Earth, and it blew up. Australia was at a certain angle, so was New Zealand and stuff like that out there. And when this guy pointed out, there's Australia, New Guinea, right? The Solomons, Montana will be coming up soon. Well, this place has kicked Australia over again some more. Why? Because the radius has changed. The radius in demonstration has changed. Now, is that just a demonstration? Is that just a suggestion? Is that a reality? I don't know. But the demonstrations across the board are the Earth changing. We have Afghanistan, Iran, Pakistan, India. All those areas are changing up there. All the Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, Kyrgyzstan, they are all in massive quantum fluctuations. Russia is having quantum fluctuations. Europe, North America, Greenland, certainly. A lot is coming up on Greenland. That's a big one, everybody. That water change. Water is the fuel. So get ready for that. Again, we are closing. We are closing fast. And we have great activity going on, which may be affecting everything. Your sleep, your mood, your mental state, because we have these manifestations, emanations, broadcast, whatever going on right now. And that's going to affect a lot. I'm looking right now, Libya, into Africa. That the Libyan, African, Egyptian border is going to be quite a thing. We've got quite a thing going on there, and we have more changes coming up in Egypt. Okay, everybody, get ready. More coming. Texas Danny out.